Hello, today I'd like to demonstrate an asset management system that I have written for Saracens Group. Saracens are a security company that hire out portable alarms and CCTV equipment to building sites across the UK. So the first thing I'm going to do is log in. And once we've logged in, we can see all the assets that Saracens have. This is test data, so obviously we don't want to show it with live data, with it being security and GDPR. From here we can filter the assets by the customer, and from within the customer a site for that customer, and we can see what is going on. The red shows that the asset is currently reported missing, and the amber shows that it's currently reported as broken. When we click on an asset, we can get information about the asset, including the manufacturer, when it was purchased, when the warranty expires. We can get details about the site where the asset is currently located and the customer that owns that site. The details for site and customer are the same here, but they could indeed be different, like they are with the Barnby Gate shop. Over here we have the notes for the asset, so we can see that the camera's been moved to cover a window instead of an internal door. But there are also system notes, notes the system creates when the asset's created, when it's updated, and when the status of it is changed. Each asset is currently located on a site, and each site belongs to a customer, and that is how the database is split up. So if we click on the Sites tab, we can see all the sites, and if we click on the customers, we can see all the customers. Let's go back to assets, and we're going to edit this one. It's by double clicking on it, and it brings up the details about the asset, including the supplier, the manufacturer, serial number, purchase price, and the purchase date. These are common fields to every asset that Saracens have. What isn't the same is things like for the camera, we want to know what type it is. Is it an IP camera? Is it traditional? What resolution it's running at? When it was cleaned? And the remote login details. However, had it been an alarm box, then it's different details that we need, such as power supply, when the battery was replaced. And the battery being replaced helps to diagnose if equipment is failing. If you're replacing the battery too often, then there's something wrong with the equipment. And because there's so much equipment that Saracens have, it's difficult for the engineers to keep track of who's changed what battery and when they've changed it. We've also got details about the location, because obviously on a building site it could be absolutely anywhere, and repair history, just so we can keep an eye on what's gone wrong with it. From within here we can move the asset to a different site, or we can move it to a different customer, in which case a system note will be written to the notes so that there is an audit trail, and hence why you have to log in as well. So we'll not save that, we'll come out and we'll show you the notes, so we can have a look for a note by a company. That shows all the company notes. We can show all the system notes, or we can show every note that's in the system, and that gives us effectively an audit trail of everything that has happened with that asset or within the business. Finally, we come to the report screen, and this tells us every asset in this bottom box, every asset that's there. And then we can break it down to a customer. So again, we'll go to BusyFix Limited. You can see BusyFix has currently got 5 assets, and they're broken down here. So we've got an MVR, a SIM card, a camera, and 2 alarm boxes. And it reports at the bottom, and this information down here can be exported, which is handy for billing or for seeing what equipment's aging. For example, if we look for a purchase date of everything up to 2 years ago, we could work out which equipment is getting close to being replaced. Everything's filtered, everything's exportable. Finally, we come to the About screen, which tells you about the software and about me. I'm Barry Starling, I am the Busy Fixer. You can get more details about the software I write at www.busyfixer.co.uk. If you need any help or need some software for your business, then please get in touch. Thank you.